Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Are your car seats starting to look dingy, damaged, or just not great? Ours definitely were. So when I saw this set of seat covers from Chezope, I was really hoping that they would make a difference. And I am totally blown away with how amazing our car looks now. So we have a 2011 Nissan Sentra, and we got the full set, and these fit really well. We have a 40-60 split in our back seat. I found that it was easiest to put the covers on the front seat if I was in the back, and you just slip them over the top and then follow the manufacturer's instructions. The chucks that you use to keep the straps in place work really well. In fact, they haven't come undone at all. I found that the seat covers in the front fit really well. We love the lumbar support and the padding. And then the seat covers in the back did take a little bit of adjusting to get to fit correctly. And because they're seat covers, they're going to move around a little bit. So you can see when we had people sitting in the back that this is what it looked like when they got out. That's just a quick little adjustment on my part once somebody gets out of the car to get them back in the right spot. I feel like this has made our car look so much better and newer. If you want yours too as well, get yourself a set of these seat covers, and that's my point of view.